Welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. So I just recently opened a new free Telegram. It's free. Go join. It's in the description. But I'm gonna be showing you guys my weekly breakdown. Right, what I'm looking for this week. All right. So the first pair we're gonna start with is EURUSD. We're gonna start with the weekly, and we can see that EURUSD been consolidating for the past almost 3-4 months now. So basically for starts of 2024, euro USD is consolidating, right? So if you're someone who love to swing trade for a very long time, or someone who's looking for someone who loves to trade the trend, like swing trade when market is trending, I would say just basically wait for market to break this level, right? That's all you gotta do. We'll just wait for market to break this high or break this low, right? But for traders like me, I'm not gonna wait. I do not wait because you have to wait to probably a couple of months, and I don't got time for that. So what I'm gonna be looking for this week is right now is like I'm seeing a strong level around there, right? So and we can see that markets respect. This is a really a strong level, right? We can see that market come to this level, pull back up. We can see market come to the level, pull, did that again, pull back up. But this time around, it did not go all the way up. So we have to be careful when market come back to this level if we want to look for a buy around this level, because we can see that market did not go all the way up like we expect it to go, right? It can be two things. It might come here and now finally go all the way up and break this level, or it might play around, break out, go up, or it might just come all the way down here, pull back up and just keep going down, right? There's a lot of things can happen, right? But what I'm looking for is, right, I want market to come back to this level, right? And I'm gonna take a buy, right? That's what I'm looking for. So if we jump to the daily, a lot of traders probably gonna enter a buy right now because they probably think this is a better, stronger level, because people who look on the lower time frame, they're going to try to enter a trade right now. And this is the advantage of looking at a higher time frame, because when you look at a lower time frame, you do not see what's going on at a higher time frame, right? So most people are probably going to be like, okay, fine, let me take right now. Most traders are in buys right now. They're probably in a buy right now, taking a buy on EURUSD, whilst if you look at the higher time frame, you're going to see that you probably have to wait for market to come back down to this level and take a buy, right? So my best advice is wait for market to come there, take a buy. You can put your stop loss below and just aim for quick 1 to 2, right? It's a very simple trade. Unless if you want to aim for more, you can aim for more, but you have to be careful that you have to just be aware of there's a stronger level here, right? We can see that markets respect this level multiple times, right? Go there, come back down, go there, come back down. So if you decide to come back down, it might break it. I would say if you want to aim for more, this is what my trade would be: a 1 to 5. Depends on how you want to hold your trade. You can hold it for a week, 2 weeks. Depends on how you want to manage your trade. This is basically up to you. So the next pair is gonna be gold, right? We're gonna start with the monthly. We see what's going on the monthly. As we can see on gold, we can see that markets come back to this level, respect it, and now it's going up. So basically we're in an uptrend. So I'm only gonna be looking for a buy, right? I'm only gonna be looking for a buy, but I might take a sell. Because of how this candlestick is closing right now. See, this is a huge rejection candlestick, right? Market might keep going up, right? But I might take a sell. Let's keep going. Let me see what's going on. So it's either market's gonna keep going up, or basically what I'm seeing is markets is started to create like a, it doesn't look like a really clear double top, but it's showing a double top to me, right? Up, down, up, down. So it might push all the way down. So let's see. Let me jump to the 4 hours. Let me see. So all I'm gonna be looking for is a sell. Yes, I'm only gonna be looking for a sell on euro on gold. If market break this level, I will start looking for a sell, which will be something like this, a very simple trade. I'll aim. For those who want to aim for more, you can aim for more. You could probably aim for all the way down there. Depends on how long you want to hold your trade. It's up to you. But I will only look for a sell, because and there's a lot of confirmation there. We have seen a double top. Another confirmation would be market is respecting this level too much, right? You have to understand one thing about gold. If a gold respects a level, right, multiple times, it come back to that level again. If it come back down to this level, it's gonna act like it's going up. A lot of people are gonna enter and buy, because gold is a trick star. It's gonna trick you, and guess what? It breaks. Keep going down. It might break and go up, back up, take me out, and keep going up. But I just have a feeling that it's gonna come back, keep going down. So I will be looking for a sell on gold. So the next pair we're gonna be talking about is GBPJPY. Let's get straight into it. All right. So we can basically see on a weekly the market is giving. Let me see. Is this a trend line? That looks exactly like a trend line. Yeah, I think so. I think that's a trend line. I definitely think this is a trend line. So markets is basically just going down. We're in a downtrend. So I was let me go to the weekly. Let me see what's happening on the weekly. So if I'm going to take a trade right now, the only way I would take a trade if markets pull back up, touch this level, touch a trend line, and pull back down, then I would take a sell right there. Right, that's my first option. Right, my next option would be right, that would be my next option. I would look for like a buy, because I feel like if market come back to this level down here, I feel like market is gonna go up. Right, if market never come down and it just go all the way up here, then I'll look for sell. So if market come back down here, this is a pretty cool trade, easy trade, I guess. I would just take a buy around this level. Simple, quick 1 to 5, 1 to 6 trade. Simple. All right, but you just guys just know that when you're aiming for this huge 1 to 5, 1 to 6, you got to be looking for like levels. Like you have to know how to manage your trade, right? So that's the two possible option I'm looking for. Next one, if the market come hit here, then I'll be like, okay, fine. This will have to be a swing trade. Like I said before, I take what market gives me, not what I want from the markets. It's what the market is trying to give me. So this will probably, I would just aim for like maybe 1 to 2, and that's it. NAS 100. NAS 100. All right. So we can see, let's jump to the weekly. Damn. Market is like NAS 100 is a pair that to be honest, it's a pair that you have to follow the trend. So like I said, you need to follow the trend with NAS 100. So right now, even though market is back to this level, if we go to the 4 hours, I would say the only way I would take a trade, if market show me, if the only way I would take a sell, if market show me that it's going to drop, right? I will wait for market to at least break this level to show me that, hey, it's okay, enter sell. But if it doesn't break this level, right? If it doesn't break this level, if it did, then this will be my trade. If it doesn't, then I would just look for a breakout, then take a buy. Just a quick 1 to 2, right? Because guess left candlestick to show me, oh, this is where you should get out, or this is where you should not get out. So anytime that happens, I just aim for like 1 to 2, easy 1 to 2. So these are the 2 trades I'm looking for. So the next, so let's jump into US30. Quick. So US30. Oh, US30 is dropping. That's cool. Let's look at the monthly, weekly. Okay, nice rejection. Blah. It might come. US30 might come back to this level. We expect it because we're in an uptrend right now. So that's the only thing I'm gonna be looking for anyway. It's very, yeah, that's what I'm gonna looking for. I'm not looking for any other option anymore. So if US30 come back to this level, just take a buy. Right? It might break. I don't know. Yeah, just take a buy. It's a very strong level, but it has to be like a very quick buy, like a very quick 1 to 2. Right? So something like that. Very quick 1 to 2. Very simple, very easy. So the next pair we're gonna be talking about is USD I'm really tired right now because I just came from work, and it's actually, the time is, if I can show you guys the time, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually around 12:20. So I'm trying to rush, and I'm gonna have to edit this video because this is the only free time I have to post a video. That's why I've not been posting for a while. But anyway, let's rush into this real quick. So on USD we can see that market respect this level multiple times right there. Is market gonna respect it again? That's a really good question. So we can take a sell. But even if it did respect it, I do not feel like, because we're in an uptrend, right? Market is going up. So even though if it respects it again, I don't think it's gonna drop, right, a lot. It's probably gonna drop all the way maybe around this level, right? Just around that level, right? But I would 100% tell you to only look for a buy. But if you want to take a sell, it's going to be a very, very, very risky sell, right? Because I would say the best thing, just wait for market to break this level, because since it's respected multiple times, right, it's going to try to take all the sellers out, right? Everybody that's entering a sell right now, and just wait for it to break. As soon as it break, you can enter a buy. Then you can look on the left hand side, see where you want to put your TP. Look for the highs. Got one here. Got another one here. So yeah, aim for like at least 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, whatever the market gives you. Well, alright, so let's move to the next pair. So we're gonna be doing AUD. So this is gonna be my last pair. Then the start of next week I would do more, but for now I'm just gonna probably do like 5. Then start of next week I would do more, because I trade up to like 10 currency pair. swing up to 10 currency pair, but we're only going to be talking about just few, right? So this is the last pair, GBP JPY. All right, so that's a nice markets is an uptrend right now on EUJ. It's a huge uptrend, huge uptrend, but we have a strong level around here, so it's gonna be very tricky. This is a strong level, right? And markets has come there and already pulled back down. I feel like it's gonna pull back up there again before dropping, because we can see previously that market come to this level, drop really hard. So I'm expecting it to do it again, even though we're in an uptrend. Yes, even though we're in an uptrend, I'm kind of expecting it to do it again. So let me look at the daily for any other options. Like UJ, I like to give UJ a huge space when I trade it. Right, I do not care. I like to give it as much space as possible. Like if I select C, right, like right now I'm in a UJ trade, right? I'm in this trade like this, right? I'm in for 1 to 2. This is the trade I'm in right now. But because I never analyze or break it down for you guys last week, you guys probably never seen this, right? But this is the trade I enter. I'm still in this trade in UJ. But for people that miss this trade, there's always a chance you can still enter. So I'm only I take a sell, right? So if you make market take me out, then I know that market is not gonna go. It's not ready to go down. It's gonna keep going up. Alright. So, but I'm in this trade right now. It's not too late. The market is not that far away. You know, it's gonna take a while though. If you wanna hold it for a while, you know. And if you're a scalper, you can keep adding position in. But for me, I just like holding my trade for 1 to 2. I trade up to 10 currency pair, but I just break down 5 of those pair. I feel like that's enough. Next week I will try to break down all 10, but right now I gotta go to bed. I have to edit this video and I need to go to bed. So guys, please subscribe, punch the likes button, join the free Telegram, and